Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Drew. Just kidding. Dorothy's right here.
Hi, Alan.
So we have a...
banana off myself. Hi.
I'll fix the camera for however you like.
Okay, well, I think, come forward a little bit. Yeah, I think that'll work. I'm kind of like in the side because I don't want to cover all this up. I think that's good. All right, so yesterday we went and hung out with family. We had a family get together and we brought this salad and it was so delicious. So we decided we'll make it again today because we're going to get together with friends today. So we had some leftover ingredients and we're gonna make it again. It was a big hit with our family yesterday. You never know when you're bringing salad. Sometimes it's a toss-up whether it'll get eaten or not because most people don't like salad. But this one was a hit with our family yesterday. So we thought that we would give it another whirl with our friends today. And one of our friends actually is not a salad person. Drew's like, you're bringing salad and to someone's place that isn't a salad person? But it's okay. I think this one will go over well. So it is, we wanted to use some pomegranates because they're pomegranate season right now.
I think you should call it pomegranate.
Did I call it the right way?
Yes.
Pomegranate. I like to add a little bit of flavor to the word pomegranate. I went to the produce section because I couldn't find them. And I went to the produce section. I was like, do you have any pomegranates? And he's like, yeah. And anyway, he showed me where they were. And then I'm like, I can't even say it the right way anymore because I've said it so long. The not right way. But that's the right way for me.
I like how you say it. I do. I bug Dorothy all the time, but
he does all the time.
I like how she says her words.
So we're going to have a spinach base with this salad. Make sure that when you're buying your spinach that you buy organic spinach. Mostly all your greens you're going to want to buy organic, like your kale, your spinach, because they are heavily sprayed, part of the Dirty Dozen. And then I talk often about the Dirty Dozen, and then I was thinking, maybe some people don't even know what the Dirty Dozen is. But there's a list that's compiled of the top 12 most sprayed produce. And that's what the Dirty Dozen is. So we actually just keep a little sticky note on our fridge. It's only 12 items, but still sometimes we're like, oh, is that one a part of the Dirty Dozen? Is this part of the Dirty Dozen? I can't remember. But the most common ones that you buy, you'll remember. For example, we buy spinach every week. So we know that that one needs to be organic. Or kale, we have often. So we know that one needs to be organic as well. But strawberries is another one. And that's we eat often. That needs to be organic or should be organic. But then nectarines, apples, grapes, peppers, cherries, peaches, pears. I had the hardest time finding organic pears. Harrison likes pears like his daddy. But I did find some recently, some organic pears. So I picked up a bag of those for Harrison and Drew. And then celery, so for your green smoothies, want to make sure that's organic. And then tomatoes as well. So if you want to do the same, we just write it on a little sticky note and then keep it on the fridge to refer to. So you can just Google Dirty Dozen and it'll come up.
Also in Detoxify Yourself.
It's also in Detoxify Yourself.
So get it from the list from Detoxify Yourself.
Mm-hmm. So those are the ones that we always make sure are organic, or in the summertime that we grow ourselves or buy from local farms that we know that don't spray. When you're visiting farmers markets and stuff, talk to the farmers. I know now it's getting out of farmer market season, but we always talk to the farmers and ask them what they use for like pesticides and sprays and stuff, so that we know which ones to visit and which ones not to visit.
I just got some people in there I want to mention real quick. So my mom jumped in here.
Hello.
And Carol jumped in here. It looks like there's someone else. But...
It says Nikki on my phone.
Oh, hey, Nikki.
Yeah. Thanks again, Nikki, for the little penguin. Harrison loves it. I said to Drew after our party, like we had our Christmas party last weekend, and Nikki had gotten Harrison a little wooden toy, and then Debbie as well had got him a little duck. Drew posted it here in the group, and I said, it's so neat to have people around us that get us, or that understand that, like our passion, one of our big passions is no plastic, right? Because well, lots of different things, but living at the beach really opened our eyes to that as well. But anyway, so thank you very much. It's very nice to have people in our lives that are aware of those things.
It is wooden and it's also local, she said.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And Debbie got us a nice little
duck.
Yeah.
He has a string. The duck has a string on it, and Harrison can pull it around. I mean, he doesn't pull it around now, but I pull it around and a circle for him and sing the song, you know, the Five Little Ducks. He likes that song. Okay, let's get back to the salad. So spinach, and then we're going to put some blueberries in there, fresh blueberries. And, of course, I was talking about the pomegranates. And then we're going to put some pine nuts as well. And some feta cheese, little sprinkle of feta cheese. And avocado. I'm going to wait to put the avocado in. We're bringing this salad to our friend's place later on today. So I don't want to put the avocado in just yet because it'll go brown. So I'll just wait for that to put it in. But all you have to do, we don't measure or anything. All we do is just sprinkle on. So just sprinkle on some blueberries, as many as you'd like. And then I think I'll do some pine nuts for something different. Usually we put like cashews or almonds in salad, always. So pine nuts was a nice change. And then sprinkle on a little cheese. So easy peasy. And then some pomegranates. I love the color that the pomegranates bring. And then, of course, we put the avocado, slice the avocado and put that on top. And that's it, you guys. So simple. I also wanted to share with you the dressing. So this is what it looks like. It looks so festive for Christmas. But I also wanted to share with you the dressing we made yesterday.
I worked hard on that.
Remember at the Christmas party? I said I was getting ready for the Christmas party and Drew was washing the car. Yesterday, when I was getting ready to go to our family event, guess what Drew was doing? Washing the car.
Ask Dorothy how much she enjoys sitting in a clean, shiny car.
It is very nice. Very nice. To sit in a nice... I appreciate that about Drew. In fact, when Drew and I first met, that was one of the things I was like, oh, because his car was immaculate, like so clean. And I feel like you could tell a lot about a person from their car.
Me too.
You know, like you can tell usually like their cleanliness, their level of cleanliness, what they eat, like different things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I have a couple of friends that do, they're into real estate. And they said they always try to peek at, they have rental properties.
Rental properties.
And I said, how do you know if someone's going to trash your place or take care of it or be respectful? And he said, look at their car. It was a couple of them. He said, look at their cars. If you get a chance, walk by their car almost every time. If they have a clean car, they're going to keep their
house clean. Mm-hmm. Okay, so for the salad dressing, we did, for the oil, MCT oil, of course. So that's 1/4 cup. MCT oil. Remember we have I'm correct, right? We have a double pack.
We do, yeah.
Yeah. So if you're using your MCT oil, like you should, every day, in smoothies and salads, you should probably, like everyone says, well, how long will it last? But it depends how much you use it. We use ours multiple times a day, so we'd probably go through a 2-pack every month. But, so just know that's an option on the order form too, is if you order them in 2 packs, you get a little discount.
It's on the website now.
On the website.
I know we've been saying order form for a long time. It's on the shop page of the website.
On the shop page. There's a little shop tab at the top now.
What are you doing there?
And then 2 tablespoons of balsamic. I don't know if I talked about balsamic vinegar last time. About how we weren't sure about the sulfates.
You did.
So anyway, so that's why we get organic, because grapes is a dirty dozen. And also, so that's why we always get the organic balsamic. Just some things I'm not really sure of, and that's one of them. And then, so that was 1/4 cup of MCT oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic, and then a splash or a dash of Himalayan salt. Hi. Can't wait till Harrison starts eating salad. Needs a few more teeth first. And then some pepper. Hi. He likes to be bounced. And then the last part is, it's going to be a honey balsamic. This is our honey. Isn't that cool? We have our MCT oil in there, and we have our honey in there. So just put like a little dab of honey in there. Our honey is so good. And that, we do have a little bit for sale. We haven't put them on the order form or anything yet.
We won't.
Oh, we won't be putting them on the order form?
If anyone wants them, they can message us.
Okay.
There's just, there we have a few different sizes, and there's not a lot, so if we put the time and effort to put on the order form, and then like one's, it's all going to sell out.
It's very good, very delicious. And then that's the salad dressing, honey balsamic. So just gives it a little bit more sweetness, I guess, than we usually do MCT oil and balsamic for all of our salad dressings. So I added a little honey in there this time, and then that's it. We usually bring it in a jar. It takes some stirring to get the honey, but we usually bring it when we bring salad to a gathering, or we'll just bring the salad dressing separately and dress it when we get there so it doesn't get mushy. But yeah, that's it. Take a little power to get the honey dechunked. Yesterday I warmed it up a little bit, and before I put it in the salad dressing, and of course it stirred a lot better.
You could probably let it sit too, right? Like let it sit before you, because we tell them you brought them at 2 different.
Are you gonna wipe that greens off your nose then? Drew's got greens on his nose. Spirulina. So we, sometimes at the bottom of your bag, there's a little bit of powder, and we give that to Harrison, the powder. And if we don't have any powder, I crush up a tab for Harrison. But Drew was giving Harrison some spirulina this morning, and then it got on his nose. Sorry, you were saying, let it sit, Drew? There we go, we got it now.
Well, I just thought you're gonna we're gonna let that sit for most of the day, like for a few hours, and then we'll bring it so the spinach doesn't get wilty, so the honey will dissolve a bit while it's sitting in liquid.
Or if you put it in a jar, you could shake it up and work a lot better too.
Nikki says, I agree, look at someone's car. And then Anna says her computer was constipated this morning. Maybe your computer needs some charcoal.
That's it, you guys. That's all I have.
Yeah, that's great.
Thanks for joining us this morning. I hope you have a great Sunday. Make sure you get your prep in today. And do we have anything else, Drew? Workouts are still happening Tuesday, Thursday?
Yep, everyone's doing great. We're going to do workouts till around the 19th. We leave on the 19th, and then we'll have a little bit of a break there over Christmas till we get back. And we do have some new things coming up in the new year that we're excited about, so we'll share that with you soon.
Yeah. All right, guys, have a fantastic Sunday.
Bye. Guys.